Side 21 Victor Columbus ground. Taxi via Delta 4 Volt, short runway 26 left at Juliet 2.
Okay, Delta 4, short at 26 left at Juliet 2 for 821 Victor.
Windows closed. Take control.
Long Beach ground, November 1977 Foxtrot at signature, taxi 26 left with run up.
Number 1977 Foxtrot, Long Beach ground, runway 26 left, taxi via Foxtrot.
Run up.
26 left, taxi via Foxtrot, 1977 Foxtrot. Long Beach ground, Cherokee 41262, clear at 26 right kilo 2 for Millionaire North.
Here.
Number 41262 Long Beach ground, taxi 2 Millionaire North via Kilo. Good day.
Plano via Kilo, good day, Cherokee 262.
Rotor 1700.
Number 77 Foxtrot cross, runway 26 left at Juliet 2 behind the Cessna Foxtrot, continue to parking.
Magneto check. Pause. Right.
That was the Foxtrot, Foxtrot.
And bonus 21 Victor cross, runway 26 left at Juliet 2.
Cross 26 left at Juliet 2 for Bonanza 821 Victor.
Bonus 21 Victor after the Cessna Foxtrot, continue to parking via Foxtrot.
Okay, after the Cessna, which we don't have in sight, we'll continue to Foxtrot for 2 Victor.
Gauge or green.
Bonus 21 Victor, the Cessna is heading to your right.
2 Victor, tally there, we got him.
Rotor 1000. Slowly. Flight instrument check and set. Here.
Object 659, tower frequency 120.5, safe fly.
Ground level 1410 kilo for 5.
Southwest 1410, Long Beach ground, to the gate 5 via Kilo, good day.
Check and set.
Kilo to the gate, good day, Southwest 1410. Hawk 139, run up complete.
139er, continue taxi.
39er.
Departure and return. Close traffic. Oh, we don't go practice area today?
No.
Okay. Brake release. Long Beach ground, Cessna 3048 Echo, runner complete.
Number 4 Echo, continue taxi.
Continue 3048 Echo.
Long Beach ground, crew chart 316, Juliet run up, ready for taxi to 26 left.
Church at 316, Long Beach ground, rolling 26 left, taxi via Juliet, Delta 4, Delta.
26 left, taxi via Juliet, Delta 4, Delta, crew chart 316.
Takeoff briefing. 1826 left, normal takeoff. And skies clear. Take left traffic. Skies clear. And wind from left side. And emergency on takeoff lower. When we take off, lower, we throttle rider and mixture cut off and full steps up and full brake and start the engine. And under 800 feet, we ran straight. We start the engine, and over 800 feet, we reach the airport and restart the engine.
Long Beach ground, Cherokee 840 Echo and Long Beach flying clear, 26 left, please run up.
November 8 for 0, Echo, Long Beach Tower, 26 left.
95 Delta, extend down for traffic.
Extend down in 95 Delta.
Long Beach Tower, Cessna 3048 Echo, holding short, runway 26 left. Request make left traffic.
304 Echo, Long Beach Tower, make left traffic, runway 26 left, so take off.
Clear the takeoff, runway 26 left. 3048 Echo. Right, camera and action. Good job.
Long Beach Tower, clear track 316, holding short 26 left, Delta, ready for takeoff. Clear track 316, Long Beach Tower, roger, and what's your departure request? IFR, clear track 316.
Foot open. Engine instruments all green. And airspeed alive.
Ailerons left.
Ailerons left.
Get a little weight off the nose. Little weight off.
55 knots. Rotate.
Okay.
Pitch for 76 knots.
295 Delta, turn base, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
26 left, on base now, clear for the option, 695 Delta.
95 Delta, and for your turns onto final traffic will depart prior to arrival, runway 30 the jet.
Well, square turn to final, 695 Delta.
Clear track 316, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff. 26 left, clear for takeoff, clear track 316. 139er, please change route.
Again?
700 feet.
139er, frequent change route.
39er.
Number 95 Delta, go around.
Go around, 95 Delta.
Number 95 Delta, 1 April, or you can start an early left crosswind and extend that one.
All left crosswind and extend down in 695 Delta.
Alright, be ready for him to talk to us, okay?
Yep. Never flight. Power.
Forward Echo traffic forward just past the tower and a crosswind turn, Cessna.
Looking for it, Echo. Looking for it, Echo. Looking for traffic, right?
Looking for traffic. Full landing check green.
Inside Forward Echo, follow.
Head on.
Forward Echo, thank you, and extend downwind.
Extend down, Forward Echo.
Extend downwind.
Extend down, Forward Echo. Alright, remember you gotta talk to him.
Later, you on.
Long Beach Tower, Tower 941 is RNAV Zulu, runway 30. That's 941, Long Beach Tower, runway 30, clear to land. 30, clear to land, Tower 941. Clear 316, turn left heading 200. Turn left 200, clear track 360. Clear track 316, contact SoCal departure. Contact SoCal, clear track 360.
1,100.
Long Beach Tower, November 1977, Foxtrot, holding short, 26 left at the river. 1977, Foxtrot, Long Beach Tower, left at the river is approved. Runway 26 left, clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff, November 1977, Foxtrot.
Do your
26 left.
before landing checklist.
And 95 Delta, turn base now, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
Okay.
26 left, clear for the option, and turn base now, 695 left.
90 knots, flaps 10.
Now 48 Echo, base over 605.
605, 48 Echo.
Good job. Alright, see, look, since we're extending here, bring your flaps, pitch down, flaps up, add some power.
Add some power.
And we'll keep our speed up, okay? That way, since we have to go far, right, we're going to the 605.
Yeah.
When we turn final, we'll configure.
Okay.
Okay? Cool.
Long Beach Tower, Hero Flight 149's with you, ILS 30.
Hero Flight 149, Long Beach Tower, runway 30, clear to land.
Clear to land 30, Hero Flight 149.
Run.
605, yep.
Now 48 Echo, just continue down past 605, I'll call your base.
You call base, where'd I go? You just changed it now.
Yep.
Now 48 Echo, you turn base now, runway 26 left, clear for the option number 2.
Turn base 3048 Echo.
26 left, cleared option, 48 Echo. Turn base.
Southwest 941,
And
turn
26
right,
left, cleared off.
kilo and contact ground.
Check kilo, contact ground, south, south, correct. Long Beach Tower, circle 840 Echo, horizontal over, runway 26 left, back, left, close surface.
940 Echo, Long Beach Tower, stand by.
Final.
Yep.
Now 5 Delta, turn the Foxtrot 3 and contact ground.
Foxtrot 3, contact ground, 695.
Number 0 Echo, make left traffic, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Runway 26 left, clear for takeoff, circle 0 Echo.
Five knots, flaps 10.
Now 3048 Echo, use caution for similar sounding call sign off frequency as the 8408 Echo.
Copy, 48 Echo.
What did you say?
Long Beach Tower, Hero Flight 155,
You said-
bound for ILS 30.
There's a guy
Flight
with a
155, Long
similar
Beach Tower,
sounding
runway
name.
30, clear
Use
to land.
caution.
Clear to land, runway 30, Hero Flight 155.
177 Foxtrot, we can change group.
Here,
80 knots, flaps 10.
real quick, let's do this. We're gonna, again, just flaps up real quick. Alright, so, we're high, right?
770 Foxtrot.
Let's do that forward slip.
Forward slip.
Okay, so power idle.
Power idle.
Alright, now forward slip. Winds from the left. So left aileron,
Right rudder.
good. And, yep.
Hero Flight 149, take
Good.
parking.
Alright, come out the slip.
What the flip?
Now we're going to Atlantic for Hero Flight 149.
Now slow us
Hero
down.
Flight 149, roger, turn left at kilo and contact ground.
Pitch up.
Left at kilo and ground, Hero Flight 149.
Blue 20 degrees flaps, okay?
Yep.
Number 8408 Echo, use caution for similar sounding call sign off frequencies at 3048 Echo.
3 knots, flaps
Copy, we'll use full call side, Cherokee 8408 Echo.
Okay, 408 Echo, and extend downwind traffic on a 3 mile final runway 30 with global jet.
Add power.
Extend downwind,
Add
Cherokee
power.
0 Echo.
Pitch forward. Pitch forward, so you're at 60. Okay. Leave it, but I did say do 20 degrees flaps, not 30.
Long Beach Tower, Cessna 272 Whiskey Charlie, holding short, runway 26 left, request, make left traffic.
272 Whiskey Charlie, Long Beach Tower, stand by. So flight 155 traffic, 10 o'clock, 3 miles, will be eastbound Cessna
Nose
1000.
to the left. Make sure you power idle, right? Right rudder, right rudder, right rudder. Right rudder, left wing down, flaps up, flaps up, flaps up, carpet up, full power, full power. Right rudder, left wing down for the wind. Right rudder, there you go. Right rudder, rotate, right rudder.
Long Beach Tower, good afternoon. Hero Flight 154 with you on the ILS to 30.
So flight 154 Long Beach Tower, runway 30, clear to land traffic, 11 o'clock, 5 miles eastbound Cessna 1000.
And we're looking for the traffic, clear to land 30, Hero Flight 154.
Number 2 Whiskey Charlie, follow Cessna up and also on the pattern, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
76.
Clear for takeoff, 272 Whiskey Charlie. Yeah, 26 left, 2 Whiskey Charlie, clear for takeoff.
Number 8408 Echo, can you make a short approach?
8408 Echo. Say again, Cherokee 840 Echo.
Number 8408 Echo, can you make a short approach?
Yes, we can. Okay, 840 Echo.
Number 8408 Echo, roger. Make a short approach, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
Make a short approach, clear for the ocean, and 26 left, Cherokee 840 Echo.
Feet.
Left turn.
Air flight 155, turn left at Kilo and contact ground.
Kilo over the ground, here flight 155, thanks for help.
Number 3048 Echo, extend down, traffic on a 3 mile final, runway 30, Falcon Jet.
Extend down.
Extend down, 3048 Echo.
Air flight 154, traffic 11 o'clock, 3 miles eastbound Cessna, will be at 1000.
We're looking for the traffic, Roger.
Traffic in sight, 48 Echo.
Air flight 154, traffic guys in sight.
Roger.
Clear flight.
Number 08 Echo, traffic heading to your right for helicopter.
Traffic inside, Cherokee 840 Echo.
Number 840 Echo, thank you, and follow the Cessna ahead of you, they're also on the pattern.
Cherokee inside, following this Cessna, Cherokee 840 Echo.
Full landing check breeze. Iron. Later is on. Pre-select several both visual reach. Full landing check breeze clear.
Good job. Altitude.
Long Beach Tower, good afternoon, Cessna 2104 Hotel, establish ILS 30. Number 2104 Hotel, Long Beach Tower, runway 30, continuing traffic, holding position. Continuing, 04 Hotel. So flight 154, turn left, Kilo and contact ground.
Left to Kilo and over to ground, Hero Flight 154.
Number 2 Whiskey Charlie, extend downwind.
Extend downwind, 272 Whiskey Charlie.
Southwest 5969, Long Beach Tower, runway 30, clear for takeoff.
Runway 30, clear for takeoff, Southwest 5969.
Good Echo, extend down.
Extend downwind, Cherokee 840 Echo. Choose confirm, Southwest 5969, 30 clear for takeoff.
5969 from Riv, runway 30, clear for takeoff.
30 clear for takeoff, Southwest 5969.
So Star Cherokee 4753 is on ILS 30 practice approach. We're going to do a missed approach.
Number 3048, Echo turn base, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
Turn base, runway 26 left, 3048 Echo.
44753, Long Beach Tower, report your southbound turn, flyer to the pyramid.
Say again, 4753.
26 left, clear for the option, right?
44753, report your turn, flyer to
the
a
whole
mile
thing back
final.
next time, okay?
For a mile final, 4753.
Final time.
Number 2, Whiskey Charlie, follow traffic that's facing over the 605 to final, runway 26 left, clear for the option. Number 2.
Clear for the option, follow the traffic, 272 Whiskey Charlie.
Southwest 5969, contact SoCal departure.
Departure, Southwest 5969.
You remember the steps for
Number
a go around?
840, Echo, follow traffic ahead in the down,
You
runway
remember the
26 left,
steps
clear for the
for a
option.
go-around?
Number 3.
Number 3, clear for the option, runway 26 left, Cherokee 840 Echo.
Number 04 Hotel, runway 30, clear to land and hold short, runway
Full
26
power,
right for
carpet
traffic.
in.
Clear land 30, hold short 26 right,
Then what?
04 Hotel.
So full power, carpet in, flap, medium pitch,
Medium pitch.
30 to 20.
30 to 20. Yeah.
And then clean it up 60, 76, right?
Yep.
Okay. Alright, are you high or are you low? You're low.
Palm Beach Airport information November, now current
Good
Long
job,
Beach altimeter
bad
3971.
Palm Beach Tower, stock 739er Yankee Echo, 26 left, straight out departure.
Number 739er Yankee Echo, Long Beach Tower, traffic's on a mile and a half, final runway 26 left, clear for takeoff, straight out departure approved.
26 left, clear for takeoff, over Hustle 9er Yankee Echo.
Okay, flaps.
Venus flap 20.
Tower November 1, Papa Golf. We're on the ILS 30, about 3 miles outside Gunny.
1 Papa Golf, Long Beach Tower, runway 30, clear to land.
30, clear to land, 1 Papa Golf.
Venus, no. Only 20.
Alright, let's go flaps 30 on this one.
30?
30.
Yep, 7 knots flap 30.
Number 04 Hotel, turn left or right at Golf and contact ground.
Left at Golf over to ground, 04 Hotel.
Alright, there's a dog on the runway. Go around.
Long Beach Tower, Cherokee 4753.
Full power.
Full power.
Medium pitch.
4753, Roger, southbound turn is approved, maintain VFR.
Good.
And contact SoCal departure 125.35.
Okay.
7 knots flap.
Yep.
Okay,
Go.
125.35, 4%53.
Number 4, 8 Echo, traffic heading to your right, the helicopter.
Inside, part Echo.
Number 8408 Echo, make 1 left 360, then runway 26
Alright.
left, clear for the option.
Flaps.
Make 1 left 360, clear for the option, runway 26 left, Turkish Echo.
Alright, so you
840 Echo.
aviate, navigate, point the airplane down the runway, right? Runway heading. And then he already talked to us.
Number 3048 Echo, fly runway heading.
Runway, do you say runway heading? Yeah. Runway heading. Do you say, yeah, okay. Fine.
Okay.
Pitch up.
Number 9 Yankee Echo, contact our frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, 9er Yankee Echo.
Number 3048 Echo, you can make left traffic.
Make
Left 6304 echo. Tower for 9 Yankee, so before I go, I'll stay at 1500 feet and I'll go direct to the 601.
Air 9 Yankee Echo, roger, frequency change group.
Thank you, 9 Yankee.
One Papa Golf, traffic 1.5 mile final, runway 26 left, Cessna will follow you through the intersection.
Roger, 1 Papa Golf, and confirm we're clear to land 30.
Runway 40 Echo, traffic on a 1.5 mile final, runway 30 with Gulf, stream reduced speed of Fable.
First Practico, Cherokee 8408 Echo.
River flight. Power.
Air 304 Echo, number 2, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
Number 2, 26 left, third option, 4 Echo.
Gotta be listening. Yep. We're number 2, 26 left, third option. There's number 1.
Ah, yeah.
One Papa Golf, turn left or right on Kilo and contact ground.
Left on Kilo and contact ground, 1 Papa Golf.
90 knots, flat 10.
This is the before landing.
Number 8, correction, 48 Echo, turn base now.
Accelerator heat on.
Turn in base, 4 Echo.
Turn base.
Pressure is very both. Mixture reach. Here. And 80 knots, flap 20.
Alright, you high?
Yeah.
Okay, reduce power. We're
Number 2 Whiskey Charlie,
we're
turn
gonna
down.
land with 20 degrees flaps.
Yep.
10 now, just Charlie.
Flap 10.
Okay. Are you high?
Later.
Reduce power.
Just power. Landing with 20 degree flap.
Yes, because of the crosswind.
Yep.
Number 304 Echo, traffic holding position, runway 30.
Copy.
Copy, 4 Echo.
Right, he's telling us about that guy, so I just
Yeah.
said copy.
Ah.
Oh, you're kind of fast. Pitch up, 65, let's do 70 here. As the crosswind.
Number 3048 Echo, turn base now, runway 26 left. Or correction, number 2 Whiskey Charlie, turn base now, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
Left aileron,
Clear for
right
the
rudder,
option, turn
right
base
rudder.
now, runway 26 left.
Hold right rudder,
Charlie.
hold it off. There you go, carpet in. Flaps up, full power.
For power.
Center line, now right rudder, straighten it out. Left aileron,
Left aileron.
left aileron, wind.
55 knots.
Rotate.
Rotate.
Right rudder, right rudder, right rudder.
Number 8408 Echo, extend downwind.
Extend downwind, Cherokee 8408 Echo.
Seven. 76.
Yep.
Long Beach Tower, Southwest 1992, good afternoon, ILS 30.
West 1992 Long Beach Tower, traffic 11 o'clock, 5 miles eastbound Cessna, followed by another Cessna, mile in trail at 1000, runway 30, clear 2 lanes.
30, clear land, Southwest 1992.
Hey, left traffic?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Number 3048 Echo, extend down traffic on a 4 mile final, runway 30, Boeing 737.
Extend downwind, running 26 left, 3048 Echo.
Traffic in sight, 48 Echo.
48 Echo, thank you. South 1992, traffic has you in sight.
Flag. Power.
Number 8408 Echo, turn base now, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
Full landing check.
Turn base, clear for the ocean, runway 26 left, taxi 840 Echo.
267 boats, initial reach. Full landing check is clear.
Number 3048 Echo, traffic on a mile final, you're number 2, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
Oh, sorry, I didn't hear.
Number 2, 26 left, third option, 48 Echo.
What did he told us?
We're number 2. There's traffic on final. 26 left, third option. There's our traffic up there.
Oh, yeah, I checked.
We're going full line.
Southwest 1992, continue through the intersection and turn left on Alpha, and then
Remember,
contact
you
ground.
can turn base
Continue through
when
left
he's
Alpha
45
Southwest
degrees behind you.
1992.
Yeah. Big base turn.
Number 3048 Echo, turn base now.
Delta, holding short, running 26 left, request left close traffic.
In the base, 48 Echo.
Number 1695 Delta, Long Beach Tower, stand by.
Alright, same thing. 20 degrees flaps, okay?
20 degree flap.
From 2 Whiskey Charlie, extend down, traffic will be holding position.
And now just go.
Final turn.
Overshooting, right?
Yeah. Forward and 80 knots left 10. Just power. And 80 knots left 20.
Zero Echo going around.
Nice.
Alright, for the Echo, roger. Make left traffic.
Left traffic, Cherokee for Zero Echo.
Long Beach Tower, Centurion 61, Eddie Yankee, holding short of runway 26 left on Delta.
618 Yankee Long Beach,
On your
Tower,
speed.
stand by.
Yep.
Tower, this is 6180 Yankee. I'm actually on Juliet 2, holding short 26 left, 6180 Yankee.
6188 Yankee, Long Beach Tower, roger, stand by.
Anybody, 6180 Yankee.
Alright,
Nose is left, right
Yep.
rudder. Right rudder. Let it come down. Right rudder, right rudder, right rudder. Carpet in.
carpet in.
Flaps
Number
up.
88 Yankee,
Full
cross
power.
runway 26 left at Juliet 2,
Yeah, no,
then
weight off
turn
the
left
wheel.
on the
Pitch up a little bit.
Foxtrot.
There you go. Load it.
Continue
Exactly.
26
85
left,
knots, rotate.
Foxtrot 1.
Cross 26 left on Juliet 2, then Foxtrot, then Delta 618 Yankee.
And November 8 Yankee, that's not Delta, so just cross the runway please, turn left, and then go to the full length of runway 26 left on Foxtrot 1.
Cross 26 left, then use Foxtrot to get the full length of runway on Delta 618 Yankee.
95 Delta, traffic will be crossing downfield, runway 26 left, line up and wait, traffic in the downwind.
Line up and wait, 26 left, 695 Delta.
More right rudder.
Number
76.
number 2 Whiskey Charlie, turn base and continue.
Turn base now, 272 Whiskey Charlie.
Number 40, let's go, extend downwind.
Stay again, Cherokee 840, let go.
Extend down with Cherokee 840, let go.
700. Yep.
Long Beach Tower, California, helicopter 604, request.
November 9 or 5 Delta, make left traffic runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
26 left, clear for takeoff, 695 Delta.
Long Beach Tower, California 604 with request.
Cal 5604 Long Beach Tower, say request, Long Beach altimeter 2970.
2970, we're at the college just off the end of 26 right, and we'd like to depart to the north, just in the parking lot here, northbound departure.
Cal 5604, contact tower 120.5.
Never flight.
120.5.
Number 88 Yankee, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
26 left, clear for takeoff, 6188 Yankee.
Following checkery, landing light on. Carpet on. Visual reach, facility over both. Following checkery is clear.
Long Beach Tower, good afternoon. Cessna 2104 Hotel holding short 26 left on Delta for IFR.
Number 2104 Hotel Long Beach Tower, stand by. Number 2 Whiskey Charlie, runway 26 left, clear to land, make the full stop.
Make full stop, 272 Whiskey Charlie, 126 left.
Number 408 Echo, turn base now, runway 26 left, clear to land, make the full stop.
Turn base, runway 26 left, clear for the option. Cherokee 840, let go.
Number 408 Echo, make this full stop, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Make a full stop, Cherokee 840, let go, 26 left.
Number 3048 Echo, base over 605.
Base on 605, 3048, let go.
Hey Tower 2 Whiskey Charlie, are you guys slowing down the pattern?
Number 88 Yankee, traffic heading to your right, south along the river is 900, climbing.
Continue climb, 618 Yankee.
Number 88 Yankee is the banner, so do you have them in sight?
I see the banner in sight, 618 Yankee.
88 Yankee, roger, maintain vehicle separation.
Visual separation, 618 Yankee.
Hey Tower for Cherokee 840 Echo, is 26 right better for pattern work?
Long Beach Tower, unanswered mistaken.
Yes, sir. Cherokee 840 Echo is 26 right, better for pattern work.
Number 0 Echo, it'll be on request. Number 2 Whiskey Charlie, turn left, Foxtrot 3, contact ground.
Good, Charlie.
So 95 Delta base over 605.
Alright, make sure you don't overshoot.
Base 605, 695 Delta.
Watch your altitude, we're doing like 1,000 feet.
Number 8 Yankee, contact SoCal departure.
SoCal departure, 6 Yankee.
Number 2104 Hotel, it's going to be a few minutes for IFR sequencing.
Hey, no problem. 04
Still
Hotel.
overshot a little bit, right?
Yeah.
So you should slow down in that turn and turn earlier. That way you don't overshoot. Don't get slow, but slow down a little bit. You were doing like 100.
Yeah.
Because the wind was coming from behind us, right? Okay. I don't want you to overshoot. Okay.
Knots flap 10.
Long Beach Tower, TBM 940 off X-ray on the ILS.
TBM 940 off X-ray, Long Beach Tower, runway 30, continue traffic, will be holding position.
Roger, 0 off X-ray.
Hey, Tower, sorry, we missed Foxtrot 4 for Cherokee 840 Echo. We need Foxtrot 4.
Number 0 Echo, Roger, turn left, Foxtrot 4 on contact ground.
Echo Foxtrot 4, contact ground, Cherokee 840 Echo.
Long Beach Tower 6137 Quebec, down in the breakwater, inbound November 26 left.
6137 Quebec, Long Beach Tower, make left traffic, runway 26 left.
Left traffic, 26 left, 37 Quebec.
Tower 48 Echo, option clearance.
Number 304 Echo, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
26 left, cleared option, 48 Echo.
Knots, left 20.
Yep, 20 degrees, okay?
20 degrees.
So it's going to take left aileron,
Yep.
right rudder.
Right rudder.
Add a little bit of power. Look, we can even do it now. So left aileron and right rudder.
Long Beach Tower 272 is Charlie, holding start 26 left traffic. Looks like we're number 2.
It's a side slip.
Side slip.
Okay, so you can reduce power a little bit.
Just
So the nose is already straight, right?
Number 272
And we'll
Whiskey
get
Charlie, Long
more
Beach Tower,
aileron to go to the left.
More aileron. Oh.
Number 0 off X-ray, runway 30, clear to land, and hold short runway 26 right for traffic.
30 cleared to land, holding short of 26 right for traffic, 940 off X-ray.
Reduce power a little bit.
Power.
Number 0 off X-ray in traffic on a mile and a half on the runway 26 left will follow you through the intersection or will not land.
Roger, 0 off X-ray.
95 Delta FA will reduce slow practical traffic on a 2 mile on the runway 30. The TBM will proceed you through the intersection.
Slowest practical speed, 95 Delta.
Right rudder, right rudder.
Left aileron. 9 Charlie Foxtrot, holding
Right
2
rudder,
forward,
right
26
rudder,
left.
more right rudder. There you go. Hold it off.
Number
right
959 Charlie Foxtrot, Long Beach Tower, stand by.
Repeat in.
Repeat it.
Flaps up, full power.
Long Beach Tower Sky 739.
Right rudder. Left aileron.
Your jet transition into the interstate speed to practice area.
55 knots.
Number 95 Delta,
Right
go
rudder,
around,
right
start
rudder,
to climb.
right rudder.
Go around 6 to 95 Delta.
Number 304 Echo, fly runway heading for traffic.
Runway heading, 48 Echo.
Number 95 Delta, this is Cessna upwind for 26 left, follow them.
Looking for the traffic 6 to 95 Delta.
Hello?
Beach Tower, South 44 kilos here, ILS 30.
144 kilos here, Long Beach Tower, runway 30,
hello,
continuing
Manny.
unstable, reduce speed as slow as practical, traffic will be holding position.
We'll continue 30, slowing it down, 4 kilos here.
Long Beach Tower Sky 739 Yankee Echo circling over the Goodyear plus tonight. Transition to your airspace to the practice area.
9 Yankee Echo, southbound transition is approved, line south under 2971.
Alright, thank you, transition approved, 9 Yankee Echo.
Reserve off X-ray, turn left to right on golf contact ground without delay, please.
Left on golf, then the ground, 0 off X-ray.
37 Quebec, extend down traffic on the 3 mile finals of Vision Jet.
Extend downwind, look at 37 Quebec.
No, remember, Ford Echo, extend downwind. And now 5 Delta traffic, follow, just heading to your left now, enter crosswind 2, downwind turn, 900. 4 kilos, miles eastbound, 1000 Cessna, followed by another one, runway 30, clear to land. Up for 4 kilos here. That was up for 4 kilos here. 4 kilos here, runway 30, clear to land. 30, clear to land, 4 kilos here. Number 4 kilos here, and hold short runway 26 right for traffic.
Alright,
we'll hold short 26 right, 4 kilos here.
Holding nature crease. Iron carpet on.
Loomis Tower, Circuit 840 with Echo, hold short runway 26 left, make left, smooth surface.
Runway 40 Echo, Long Beach Tower, stand by.
Tyler, we got the southern side, please. Southern Quebec.
For 9 Yankee Echo, and for now, just fly southbound for traffic departing runway 30 on the south. We'll be on a southbound turn, climb to 3000.
Right, southbound, climb to 3000. 9 Yankee Echo.
And 9 Yankee Echo, and just maintain vehicle at or below your current altitude.
Okay, at or below my current altitude. 9 Yankee Echo.
Number 04 Hotel, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 left, 04 Hotel.
For 9 Yankee Echo, vehicle altitude, your discretion, and your transition still approved.
Thank you, our discretion, transition approved. Thank you, 9 Yankee Echo.
Number 37 Quebec, base over 605.
Base 605, 37 Quebec.
Number 48 Echo, base over 605.
48 Echo, base 10.
Number 95 Delta, base over 605.
Base 625, 695,
And we have to reduce power before go to 605?
Because of the tailwind,
Yeah.
I reduce your power a little bit and slow down.
Okay.
Just a small amount.
Number 4 contact ground if not ready. Number 272 Whiskey Charlie, make left traffic, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear to takeoff, make left traffic, runway 26 left, 272 Whiskey Charlie.
Yep, that's good enough. And then just pitch up a little. Just
Number 48 Echo, turn base now.
Turn base, 48 Echo.
Alright, there you go. Yeah, you're slower.
Yeah.
So if you keep this up and we roll out, and you do it again on
Number
the,
04
on the
Hotel,
next
traffic
turn,
head into your right,
we shouldn't
so
overshoot.
westbound will be southbound with Cessna
Alright,
at
so pitch
700.
up, pitch up right here.
Pitch up.
Right here and roll level.
Side him off our right, 04 Hotel.
Good.
04 Hotel.
Now we should
Number 4
do the
Hotel,
same
Roger,
thing
and
on this
they're
turn, okay?
restricted at or
And we
below
shouldn't
1,000.
overshoot.
And final turn.
Yep.
Roger, we're told right turn 270 at 800. 04 Hotel.
7 Quebec, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Land 26 left, 37 Quebec.
And add some power?
Sure, yes. Yep. Alright, we're going to stay high and we're going to do another forward slip.
Yeah.
Okay, so hold 1,000 feet.
Number 304 Echo, runway 26 left, clear to land, make this full stop.
26 left, clear to land, 4 Echo.
80 knots, flat 10.
Number 04, hotel, contact SoCal departure.
Over to SoCal, 04 Hotel, yeah.
Alright, so forward slip.
Forward slip.
What's the power position for forward slip?
Idle.
95 Delta, runway 26 left, clear line, makes a full stop.
Say again.
95 Delta, makes a full stop, runway 26 left, clear to line number 2.
Make course 6 and 9 o'clock, Delta, 26 left.
Alright, good.
Number 2 Whiskey, Charlie,
Come
extend downwind.
Send down, just
Alright, 20 degrees flaps, okay?
80 knots, left 10.
Palm Beach Tower for 980 Echo. We're in the practice area now. We're gonna take LA special flight routes back north.
98 Echo, what was your request again?
Just want to let you know that we're gonna take LA special flight routes.
98 Echo, left, frequency improved.
No, we just want to let you know we're gonna switch frequencies.
Touch and go?
37 Quebec, turn left, Foxtrot 3, contact ground.
Okay.
To the ground, Foxtrot 3, 37 Quebec.
98 Echo, frequency improved, thank you.
Power idle.
Yep, left aileron for center line, and then right rudder. Nose down still, nose down, ball horn, there you go, round out.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Got a little, we're gonna roll to 3. So
Yep.
you got a little slow, a little high, right?
95 Delta, go around.
You hear the stall horn going off too early?
Yeah.
95 Delta, 1 able, start an early crosswind turn and extend downwind.
early crosswind, extend downwind, 6295 Delta.
Number 3048 Echo, turn left, Foxtrot 3, contact ground.
Contact ground 48 Echo.
Palm Beach Tower, Cessna 67431, just east of 91605 2000, inbound for 26 with November.
Number 959 Charlie Foxtrot, Long Beach Tower, runway 26 left at Foxtrot 4, clear pickup.
Left up. Clean.
Number 6747, correction, 67431, enter right base over 605, at or above 1,500 for line 26 left.
Ground condition text.
Number 0 Whiskey, understood.
Long Beach ground Cessna 3048 Echo. Foxtrot 3, request taxi, Long Beach Flying Club.
Number 204 Echo, Long Beach ground, taxi to Long Beach Flying Club, via Foxtrot.
Taxi to Long Beach Flying Club via Foxtrot 3048 Echo.
Southwest 936, 85 November, ready to push.
Southwest 936, Long Beach ground, hold your push.
Long Beach clearance number 46393 at AC site. Taxi to 6 right with information in November.
Number 46392, Long Beach ground. Do you contact lens delivery first?
Long Beach ground number 65537 at AC 26 right for run up.
Long Beach clearance number 46393 at 8.
Hey, ground Southwest 2097, ready taxi.
November 0 Whiskey cross, runway 26 left at Juliet 2. Continue to signature via Foxtrot.
Papa 0 Whiskey crossing 26 left, Juliet 2, Fox Delta to 30.
Southwest 2097, runway 30, taxi via Lima. Hold short runway 26 left approach.
Runway 30 via Lima, holding short, 26 left approach, 29.
Southwest 936 after company traffic behind. Push your discretion.
Push our discretion, West Company pass to Southwest 936.
Papa 0 Whiskey, just for the tape, sir, we are cleared Fox Delta to 30.
And November 0 Whiskey, runway 30, taxi via Foxtrot, Delta, thank you.
Papa Zero Whiskey Whiskey Wilco. Long Beach ground number 46393 at AC size taxi 26 right.
Number 463 Kilo Beach ground, runway 26 right, taxi via Kilo.
Taxi 26 right via Kilo 393.
Long Beach ground number 65530 at AC 26 right for run up.
Number 65537 Long Beach ground, runway 26 right, taxi via Kilo, caution for another.
All lights off and ignition key out and master switch off. Good. Clear.